Hello, this is Geo of the Information Girls. Now, yesterday, Marlene had shown you how to make a YouTube channel. Today, I will give you information on how to set up your YouTube channel in your YouTube back office quickly. So, let's get started. Okay, you would log into YouTube and then you would click your icon here and then go to your YouTube studio. All right. Once you get to your YouTube studio or YouTube back office, you will scroll down here to settings. Let's get started with channel. The first thing you want to do is select country of residence. Now you want to click this drop down box and then you want to find your country and choose it. And then it will show up in this box. You can add some keywords. Say, for instance, if your channel was a cooking channel, you can say cooking channel, or you could say recipes, whatever your channel you're cooking about. If it's chicken, you're using a lot of chicken in your videos, then you can put chicken there and whatever else that you want to put in there, okay? And then you want to save everything right here. You must save and for your information to be on your channel. So don't forget to save. Now on this same page, once you save, you want to go to advanced settings. Here I want to talk about if your channel is made for kids or not. Here are the three circles. The first circle says, yes, set this channel as made for kids. The second circle says, no, set this channel as not made for kids. And then the third channel is, I want to review this setting for every video. So if you leave it as is, then every video that you upload, you will have to select that this channel is not made for kids. Now, if your channel is not made for kids and you don't want to have to select it every single time, the one that you want to choose, a circle, is no, set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that's made for kids. So you want to make sure that you put the dot in the second circle here. Okay. Then you want to scroll down and you want to go to subscriber count. If you want your subscriber count to show up, then you want to put a check in this box. If you do not, you leave it blank. Okay, and then you want to click save here. All right, let's go to feature eligibility. You must verify your channel on your cell phone, and it will have the information on how you do that in order to upload videos over 15 minutes, to upload custom thumbnails and live streams and so forth. So when you come to this is a must. You must do this. And then you save. Okay. The next tab is upload defaults. Here at upload defaults, what you would do, what I do, and the only box I fill out is the description box here. And what I put in there is like if I have other channels, I put my channel name and my link. I put any other information I want my viewers to know, and I put it in this box. Okay. And then for visibility, you should definitely want to make your channel public. Okay. And you can put tags here, like what is your channel is about again, and you just put your tags right here. Okay. So, and then you click save. You always click save. Let's go to advanced settings. Here, what I look at the most and make sure that I filled out is hold potential inappropriate comments. So you can click this box and it will hold potential inappropriate comments for review, or you can disable comments. You can hold all comments for review, or you can allow all comments. So I'm going to choose allow all comments. Okay. Here, where it says users can view ratings for this video, If you leave it blank, then viewers cannot see who has liked your video and who has disliked your video. But if you click yes, then put the arrow, the check mark in this box, then they can see. Okay. Now you want to click save. All right. Now, the next one is permissions. If you have someone that you're working with on your channel, then you can invite them to be a manager or an editor on your channel. And the way that you invite them is you click the word invite, get their email, and here where it says access, you will select what do you want them to be, a manager or editor, editor limited, or viewer. Okay. And then you click done once you have select, and then you click save. Here we're going to go to the community tab. And at the community tab, you will be able to put in moderators here, the first box where it says moderators. Okay. Now you can put in a moderator from your live chat by clicking on the three dots when you're live in your chat, or you can get the link to a person's channel and drop it in this box, and they can become a moderator that way. So let me show you. I'm going to make the Information Girls a moderator on City Promoter Me. So I'm going to paste the link in there that I just got from the Information Girls channel. And then I'm going to press return on my laptop, and Information Girls will show up here. So I'm going to click there so that it will show me the Information Girls. If I have another, I'll click back in there, go get their link from their channel, and do the same thing. Okay. Here you can block people here by doing the same thing. You can block them from your live chat, and when you do, they'll show up in this box. Okay. Or you can go and get the link like I'm doing here, drop it in this box or paste it in this box, press return, it'll come up, and then all you have to do now is click here and save. But if you're not done because you want to add block words, don't hit save yet. Any block word that you want here, all you have to do is type it in there. Okay, and press return, and it'll show up, and keep typing until you get all your block words in there. Here you can click block links, because sometimes when people are leaving comments, they leave links in your comments, and sometimes when you click on those comments, it doesn't go to a nice site. So once you're done with all of that, you want to click save. Okay, so once you click save, it'll take you back to your channel dashboard here. And that is how you set up your YouTube back office to your channel quickly. This is Information Girl GO, and I will see you on the next video.